Presenting you our young creative, Kripanksha Kadre and Kanishka Patidar Class A. On Insight 20 for News TV 1, reporting FRO
Full
Knowledge
form of
Fallacy.
news is notable events, weather and sports, or north, east, west, south. However, news is no longer used as an acronym in modern English. The word news comes from the Latin word nubel, which means new things. News is a type of communication that provides the most recent information on current events, incident and development around the world. With this, good afternoon everyone. You are listening to Insight 24 News TV 1.
I am Kanishka Patidar along with Kripanksha Kadre reporting you from Knowledge Valley School, Rajgarh, Dhar.
Let's start to interlocate the rapid headlines of this week.
Starting off with international news, US welcomes any nation that White House on PM Modi historic visit to Ukraine.
National news, sculpture of collapsed statue arrested from Maharashtra's Kalyan.
Educational news, President Draupadi Murmu to present National Teachers Award 2024 to 50 educators today.
Sports news, India scheduled at Paris Paralympics 2024, September 5, chance to take medal, tally over 25.
Culture news, Indian imbalance in Russia congratulate
Artist Sudarshan Patnaik for winning gold Singh Medal Master Award. Weather news, heavy rains batter Delhi NCR, Gurgaon faces severe waterlogging, IMD shows yellow alert.
Now your news in detail. International news. During his visit to Ukraine last month, PM Modi told Zelensky that India was never neutral or indifferent
bystander during the Russia-Ukraine conflict and was always on the side of peace. The visit was lauded by US President Joe Biden as historic. National news, the Maharashtra's police on Wednesday night arrested sculpture contractor Jaideep Apte in connection with the collapse of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja statue at the Rajkot Fort in Malvan. Apte, who went missing after the incident, was nabbed from Kalyan in Thane district nearby 10 days after an FIR was filed against him.
Educational news. President Draupadi Murmu conferred the National Teachers Award on 82 teachers in school and higher education category at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi on Thursday, September 5, 2024. The award was presented
on September 5 each year on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, former President of India. Sports news, the Indian contingent is on a roll at the Paris Paralympics 2024, having already achieved their best ever tally at the Paralympics. India athletes are aiming to go past the 25 marks. They can do so on Thursday itself.
Weather news. Area affected by the waterlogging included
the Delhi-Jaipur Expressway near Narsinghpur Sona Road, Golf Course, Extension Road, Basai Hero Honda Chowk and Subhash Chowk.
The India Meteorological Department has predicted light to moderate rain across Delhi NCR through September 14. This rainfall has led to significant disruption in Delhi and Gurgaon, promoting a yellow alert to be issued on Wednesday.
Culture news, sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik has made India proud by winning the gold medal at the International Sand Sculpture Championship. Taking to his 10th handle, Patnaik shared the photo of him standing beside the sand sculpture. Championship was organized at the iconic Peter and Paul Fortress between July 4 and July 12. Patnaik was one among the 21 master artists from across the world who took part in the championship. At the last,
now news is which keeps you alert about the upcoming things